heat piles on BRS working president KT Ramarao as the former Telangana minister was grilled by the Enforcement Directorate. KTR was questioned by the ED in connection with the money laundering case related to the Formula E race event that was held in Hyderabad when he was a minister. The Enforcement Directorate is probing alleged irregularities in payments in the deal to the tune of 55 crore rupees. KTR was grilled for over 7 hours on Thursday, but the BRS leader has denied any financial irregularities and has challenged Chief Minister Revanth Reddy to a live debate and a lie detector test.
They have already asked me 80 questions in ACB, 40 plus questions in ED. If they want more, they have more questions, happy to answer. If they have more clarifications that I need to give, happy to answer. मैं फिर से कह रहा हूँ, इसमें 1 रुपये का 1 पैसे का करप्शन नहीं है. इसमें कोई मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग नहीं हुआ है. इसलिए मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं, इसमें अगर मुझ में इतना हिम्मत है कि मैं रेवंत के साथ बैठ के लाई डिटेक्टर केस के लिए तैयार हूं. इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूं मैं? इससे ज्यादा मैं कैसे प्रूव करूं कि मैं एकदम सही सच बोल रहा हूं और कुछ नहीं. रेवंत रेड्डी का टारगेट एक ही है, क्योंकि उनपे ऊपर एसीबी के केस लगा था तो मेरे पे भी लगाना था. वो अरेस्ट हो गए तो इवेंचुअली मेरे को अरेस्ट करने का है. उन पे ईडी केस हो गया तो मेरे पे भी ईडी केस करना था.
What exactly does your party has to say? One side ACB investigation is going on, then the ED, and you claim that there is no corruption, nothing at fault in this particular case.
Well, absolutely, we've been very clear about it. We've kept it in front of the media. We've even challenged the government, the Congress government, to come for a discussion on this Formula E sports race in the Assembly. Chief Minister did not turn up for a discussion. In fact, not just these two, in front of the ACB also. 84 questions, the same repeating questions, KTR answered. He told how to bring a race here, to bring a sporting event here. We've put our efforts. So now, as expected, within just, so speedily, after the Congress government initiated a ACB case and so speedily this ED came, it looks that it is a clear political vendetta and we are